Okay, right at the outset, let me apologize for removing the little iota of hope and optimism that we have about a vaccine for COVID. So I should apologize again for speaking like a pessimist. But then I have no choice but to share the truth with you. And only the truth will survive. Guys, these viruses are going crazy. When swine flu hits the wall, the virologists believe that this is a particular strain and we could tackle it with therapeutic and preventive measures. But the shocker is, today there are 179 strains of the swine flu virus. Vaccine against one of them may not be effective against the other. Coming to COVID, as of now, we suspect there are A, B, and C strains of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. But let me assure you, there would be many, many more. Probably pretty soon, the world would be facing hundreds of different strains of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, slightly different from one another, slightly modified genetically. And what hope do we have to prepare a vaccine against each one of them? Even if we succeed in preparing vaccines against each one of them, by the time the vaccines are ready, there will be another 100 strains of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. In other words, this fight against pandemics and viruses causing pandemics is a battle which we just cannot win. I apologize once again for this pessimistic note, for this doomsday hypothesis. But then I have no choice but to share the truth with you, the absolute truth and nothing but the truth. So guys, even if a vaccine materializes, there will be so many other strains which the vaccine cannot handle. And even if we have vaccines for each one of those strains, by then these strains would have mutated to a different form. In other words, this race against viral pandemics, we cannot win through vaccines. We can only win it through building immunity. This is what I would like to repeat in this episode, as I have already mentioned in very many other episodes. Thank you very much.